Cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and find.
Well, today we're going to be working on the 2016 Chevy Trax. We've been getting some codes on this thing, and I think we brought it to the dealer like 17 times, and like the 16th time they told us don't shut the car off when you pull it into the drive because it erases the code and they can't diagnose the problem or whatever. You'd think there'd be a history of codes and they could kind of do something. I don't know. It went on for months, and I think they're just trying to let me drive this thing out of warranty, which they did, you know. So yeah, the dealership's not high on my list of places to take the car for repair. They're really good at doing the customer pay brake jobs though, yeah. But when it comes to like warranting stuff, you know, I can guess as easy as they can, I guess. So started watching some videos, and I thought, well, she's got about 60,000, so we'll just pull that cover out of the way. And it's pretty easy. It's a 4-cylinder, so we have the plugs here, and if you look, you can see the metal's worn a little bit, but these got those iridium or whatever, which doesn't really wear down. I'm talking about the tab part. You can see it's just worn in that corner a little bit. I'm sure they're fine, but we're gonna throw some new plugs in it, so basically just tune it up. I heard that you can get some codes just from the battery. So we threw a new battery in it. That was the original battery, and it's 2020 now. We're going on 2021, so it's almost 5 years. They'll warranty that battery, replace it for free for 18 months at Napa. And then they prorate it after that for 72 months. So check that box, that one's done. Some other videos say that you should check the PCV valve. There might be air coming out of here. I ran it. I didn't find an issue with it. Other things that I've looked at, you got the purge solenoid over here. It's kind of loud. I'm considering replacing this. And also, this is the PVC valve. It goes down over here under this boot. Kind of hard to see it, but it just runs across the top here and then right over there. On the older cars, you could replace a PCV valve, so it was a replaceable part. It's 30 bucks, and I believe also, like I said, the purge solenoid, it's loud. It's kind of loud. It kicks on and off, on and off. And then I pulled the mass airflow sensor. They say when you change the air filter that you should, you know, clean the hot wire. You can see the hot wire right there. And I got some of this mass airflow spray. This is the factory part, whatever. So we'll spray that off, let it dry. We'll put some new plugs in, tune it up, and then we'll test on her, check it out, run, see how she's going, and that's what we'll do for today. So here's our mass airflow sensor. It measures the airflow after the air filter in their box. It goes right in there, then that flows down to the throttle body. So I sprayed it off. I let it dry while I put the plugs back in. All we have to do is just put it back in here, and goes in with 2 screws and a Phillips. So let's do that real quick. do is just clip this cover down. Looks like okay. That's it. We just start it up. Let's see. Did I leave the keys in it? Yeah. Put her in gear. A little low to hold the brake. Let's check it. Let me check. Nope. That's off. Still no check engine light. See what the exhaust is. What's on the other side? Oh, I hear that herd solenoid ticking. I actually found this one right there. It's pretty loud. So that's the reason why I was looking at maybe I look into that. Wait to see if the engine light comes back on. They can just sense. Go back to the canister for emissions related stuff. Check engine light here again. I think once it goes into closed loop, it must open that system. Again, no check engine light. 60, almost 61,000 miles. We'll see how this works out. I'll get back to you.